Good morning, USA. It's another CIA report from yours truly, Michael Sklar. Well, this morning I listened to Senator Arlen Specter's town meeting. He had 30 questions, and out of all 30 of them, there was only one that made sense to me under the circumstances that we're in. And that was somebody that posed a referendum vote of the people with no matter what the Congress comes up with as a bill. Makes sense. National referendum vote on whatever bill Congress and the Senate, whatever the House of Representatives and the Senate comes up with. It should be voted on as not being a law, but as going to a national referendum and vote in 2010 by the people. And if they accept and this will give the Congress by 2010 times to refine it, make it what the people might want. Because believe me, if it goes to a national vote, it'll have to be refined to what a majority will want. What a majority of people want. So, most logical answer in a heated situation is let the House of Representatives and the Congress come up with a bill, and I suggest strongly they let conservatives put their ideas in, or else it ain't going nowhere. And then at the end of putting this bill together, put it up to a national referendum vote of the people in 2010. This gives all the people a chance to read it. It could be online. And I suggest they make it very simple, in clear language. Make it in clear language that people can understand. Make it simplified, not 1,000 pages. Have a 3-page bullet page on everything that's in it. Make it really work on this so that it's clear, concise, and votable for a national referendum. I have already. To me, this is the only answer. The only answer in a democratic society is to put it to the vote of the people. When there's this much, when the Congress is wanting something that right now the people seemingly do not want by majority. So the Congress will have time to refine and put together a bill that maybe the people will want. Now, personally, me. If you go back in my YouTubes here, I've suggested a 5% pay to doctors before it even comes to going to insurance. 5% of your monthly check would go to paying a doctor. You can find that, and you're all fired by my thumbnail with a picture of Donald Trump. And I'm not going to go into it here. I've already gone into it. Right here, right now, I'm for national referendum vote. Put it to the people. Do whatever you want in Congress. Put the bill together. But don't let it be a law until it goes to a vote of the people. So that is my answer. That's what I can live with or die with, depending on what you put in the bill. And what I'm going to vote on if you make it a national referendum. So here's Michael Sklar from the CIA report, Certifiably Insane Americans. It's a party that nobody knows about. It's a party of one, me, but all the Americans, because we are all certifiably insane in a two-party system that's schizophrenic. Have a nice, at least bipolar. Have a nice day and see ya.